Hi, this is Hara for another video tip from MIYENS Connection. Social media is not only a platform for communication but for marketing as well. So here's the question. Is your company competitive enough to market in the field of social media? It's a competitive world out there, so you've got to keep up with your competition and your customers as well. You need to make sure that you have a strong online presence. Actively post content online so that your customers are updated. And speaking of customers, they will reach out to you through your online accounts. That's why being responsive is a must, so that you're always connected to your market. It's easy to create an account online, but it's quite hard to manage it. Here at MIYENS, we offer affordable and effective social media services that can help you market in the digital age and reach your customers wherever, whenever. With our team of skilled and creative multimedia artists and social media strategists, we can help you come up with an effective and interactive social media strategy that can help increase your activity on different social media platforms. If you find this video useful, hit up the like button below and comment how this video helped you have a strong presence online. Thanks for watching!